Diving the Great Barrier Reef has always been a childhood ambition, and whilst we was in Australia, I found the opportunity. We found a trip online with Cairn Diving School. I think it was about $100 for a reef dive, and then any extra dives you need was a $40, which you paid on board the boat. The price included the first dive, lunch and afternoon snacks. Leaving Cairns, we went over to Fitzroy Island to pick up some more passengers before we went on to the reef. The dive site was then about 2 hours away from land. Cairn Diving School provided all the equipment, and after my first dive, decided that it'd be nice to show Merrill the reef, so we decided to do a little bit of snorkeling. The boat had anchored about 500 metres from the reef, so it was a fair swim to get to the reef. The air temperature was around about 30 degrees, the sea temperature was around about 25 degrees, and it was dead calm. Jumping in the sea was like jumping into a warm bath. It was absolutely perfect. Meryl was so keen to get to the reef, I was struggling to keep up with her. She'd gone and into the distance. Absolutely fantastic. The reef now just coming into view.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Unfortunately, I didn't have my red lens on my GoPro, so some of the colours are not as vivid as what you see with the naked eye. The sea actually filters the infrared so that you can't see the red colours through the lens, but with the naked eye it was absolutely amazing. Fish, parrotfish. These are blue coral trout. Absolutely amazing. Just playing in the reef. Groupers about 1 metre long. They were absolutely enormous. None of the fish are frightened of you. They just swim around you. They've got they don't see you as a threat or an enemy. The downside of this is the Great Barrier Reef is now under threat with sea pollution and such, so a lot of the coral is dying and bleaching, and we were informed that if things continue the way they're going, the reef has approximately 10 years left. We have to do something now. Great Barrier Reef is such an amazing place, and I was so privileged to be able to dive and see it for myself. So now back to Cairns and beer o'clock.